In today's video, I'll teach you how to add name in brackets in Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here I've opened it. So if you want to add the name in bracket, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this option settings and privacy. Now tap on the option settings. Now after that you'll be led to the settings interface. What you have to do is tap on this option account center. Now you'll be led to the account center of Facebook. Tap on this option profiles and personal details. Now you'll be able to see all of your profiles over here. Simply tap on the profile where you would like to add the name in the bracket. After you do that, you'll be led to that particular profile. Tap on this option name. Now you can see over here you'll be able to change your name. Simply scroll down to the other name section. Tap on this option manage other names that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be able to add other names. Tap on the field of name type. Now simply tap on the option of your choice. After you do that, tap on the field of name. After that you can simply enter the name that you want to be enclosed in the bracket. Now check on this option show at the top of profile. You can see the preview over here. Your name will be shown and within the bracket your nickname will be shown. So what you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. So that is how you add names in brackets on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.